यही समय है, सही समय है, यही समय है, सही समय है. Like Modi ji says, I'm saying right now. Why? Very warm welcome to you guys here. This is me Anjali, and I'm coming back to you guys with such a crucial topic that is here. I'm always here with new problems and the problems with solutions. So the today's problem would be discussed here: population increasement. So increasing population is the biggest problem of our country nowadays, these days, and in this era. How this problem would be decreased, and how this problem would be eradicated a little bit, so that in future we will have many more opportunities to get success, to get uh, what we can say, all the things that we want to have in our career. So with this, increasing population is the biggest problem. Why? There are many factors which are truly responsible for increasing the population in our country. We always should aware with this phenomena, so that we can somewhere play an important role to contribute here to in the decreasing of population growth. So with this, why population is increasing in our country like India? Why? And that day is not too long when we become the world first most populous country in the world. And here we are on the second level of the populous country, and we should know this. We should get more information about this, and we should always be ready to pay attention on this and to eradicate this type of problem from our country. So population is increasing like here in our country. Why? Because there are many peoples who are responsible for this. They are unaware people around us. They are uneducated people around us. They are not having who are increasing the population, who have no awareness, lack of awareness they have. That's why they are increasing population day by day. And with this, the whole youth of our country are affected by increasing population, where they are not they have not job, they have not government job or private job. They, if they have not, this is the whole responsibility of a country. But we are also responsible for this problem. We are, if we are facing this type of problem somewhere, we are truly responsible for this. Why? Because in this here, if you are uneducated people, you have no information, this would be a problem of poverty in your life. So if you want to live your life happily, if you want job, if you want all the things, just because of increasing population, you are not becoming the member of success, you are not becoming the member of jobber. Here is, this is a great problem, and your family would be affected, you would be affected. You are not living your life with happiness, with entire facility that you should have, you have not. This is the problem of increasing population. like in your family, if there are you have too much siblings, then your parents will not focus at all on you, and you are not the only child of your family, on which your family focus, entire focus would have. How? This is the problem. And in our country what is happening right now, like they in the adulthood, because of lack of information, they do some misdeeds with their life, with their with their life, yeah. So this is the problem, which contribute in the increasement of population in our country. So we all should aware people, we all should aware youth that do not do this type of activity, do not do this type of doing, so that in future you will not get the whole things which you want to have, just because of population increasement. Somewhere you will you're backing yourself. So in your family, if you're if your family is too long with your siblings, then your parents would fail somewhere to give proper education and proper food facility and your hygiene would be affected, your whole life would be affected. This is the problem of life. If because to ride the life, to ride the vehicle of life, you have, there is a lot need of a lots of money. If you do not have money, you will not able to survive our life with whole facility and with whole things which are normal life like needed. This thing, that's why, because of increasing population, we are somewhere back in not getting the proper treatment, not getting the proper facility, not getting the proper education, not getting the proper food, and not getting the proper job, and we will not be able to get success in our life, get valuable things in our life. And so with this, the whole things is the problem, and this problem would be increased by providing education. Government should take action, government is taking action with the with family planning, yeah. I want to advise all the family persons, like you should know the government's policy that hum do hamare de, you should execute on their words, you should execute on this policy, so that you will play a important role to in contributing in the decreasement of population here in our country. Just because of rising the population level, our too much intelligent youth not having proper hygiene, not having proper healthcare facility, not having proper education, they are somewhere at very low level, they are not they are not coming upward, they are always in the backward category. So they always in the below the poverty line. Poverty would be increasing day by day, just because of increasing population. We should all know this, we all should execute on this type of problem, increasing population. So this is a very good thing to think about it, just paying attention on this type of problem, so that this problem would be increased, would be solved, and would be eradicated from our country, so that in future our population is going to be very increasement. And you can see that our population day by day is increasing, and um, we all should aware people like youth, and every person should do this type of thing, so that population growth would be decreased from our country. This is not at all the not at all the responsibility of government, this not at all the responsibility of the author of our country. This is also if we are Indian and living in this nation, we citizen of this nation, We all should responsible for our nation. We all should responsible for our citizenship, Indianship, and we all should contribute in making India. And just because of increasing population, and we are not we have not in our country infrastructure and companies and all the greater things, just because of having too much population, everyone here not equally treated, and everyone here not equally having the facility to get education to if the facility like education, if you are not taking good and proper education, how you will be asset for our nation, how you will be the contributor towards making India, how? This is the thing to think about it. Think about it right now, since from your youth, if you had, when you had adult, you never think about it. When you became mature, you are not thinking about it. Then when will you think about it? Just here promise yourself, from this day I will contribute a little bit from in decreasing population. I will aware people. I will visiting in country from every states, in every villages, in every city. I will aware people, and by using the schemes and programs of our government, we will aware the people how we should how we should contribute in decreasing population in our country. This is the biggest problem of not having job, that we are living in this country. We have not proper infrastructure, that our country like India is not is not developed. And in you can see our neighboring countries developed, like China, like America, and all the countries, many countries are developed countries, and we even today we are not developed, and we are developing. This is the glory of our nation. We all should do something for our country. We all should live for our country and die for our country, and contribute in making India, in making new India, with our decreased populous country and having too much great infrastructure in our country. This is the entire thing here. And I have discussed all the terms and conditions here regarding with youth, why they are not getting things like success, or why they are not getting the things that they want to have but they don't have, and they would not have, just because of increasing population. Because everyone will not have everything. One should be back, just because of increasing population, and you will be high, you will be upward, and you will go forward. And by just decreasing population, by just utilizing your time, by just utilizing your mind, and you should work for your nation, and you should contribute for in making India developed country. This whole thing that I want to say you to please execute on my words, so that you will be an asset for your nation, for your country. Thank you. Bye bye.